Good afternoon, Erin. A storm cloud spotted in several Seacoast communities Monday night was not a funnel cloud, according to the National Weather Service. Dozens of viewers from Newmarket, Exeter, Durham, and Epping, among other towns, reported seeing what looked like a funnel cloud after 6 p.m. In multiple videos sent to WMUR, the cloud appeared cyclone-like a funnel cloud, but did not seem to show any rotation. Rotation in the cloud would possibly indicate the early stages of tornadic formation. The wild weather came just hours after 3 tornado warnings were issued in northern New Hampshire over a 90-minute period. Trees and power lines were toppled across the state, resulting in tens of thousands of power outages. A tornado did touch down in the state on Monday. However, the twister was confirmed in Lincoln near Mount Peguest, officials said. An EF1 tornado touched down in western New Hampshire in May, curving a 36-mile path through Charlestown, Webster, Landon, Ackworth, Lancaster, Bradford, and Warner. Reporting live here outside in Durham, New Hampshire, I'm Riley King for WMUR News 9. Erin, back over to you.